When autumn slowly became winter, and the days got shorter and shorter, and the air colder, I tried my best to really enjoy the colors and make my home as cozy as possible. To be honest, the change of seasons wasn't easy for me, and for a lot of autumn, I was pretty depressed. In November, I took care of a dog, which was really nice and gave me some mental comfort. I also kept running, even in the cold weather. It was cold enough that we even had some early snow. It only stayed for one day, but the first snow is always magical. And when Christmas rolled around, my mental state got a lot better. Even though I am not religious, I love Christmas. I think it is such a good way to give this time of year some light, joy, and festive vibes. So welcome to this vlog in which we prepare for Christmas and do things that bring me joy. I decided to get an artificial Christmas tree for myself that I hope to use for many years to come. I was divided about getting it because it is ultimately a blob of plastic, but it did make me so happy that I am glad I decided for it. And I got gifted a lot of Christmas ornaments through a platform that we have here in Germany, where people sell and give away things they no longer need. Welcome to the Christmas bakery. Like a real baker, like a real Christmas baker, I already have flour all over my shirt. And that's okay. Today we are making two different kinds of Christmas baked goods. I can't say cookies because only these are going to be cookies. And the other thing is a Stollen, which I don't know what it's translated. It's a kind of bread. Yeah, but first we are making these, which are Ausstecher in German. That's basically cookie cutters. I got these new animal forms. It's a lion, an elephant, a bear, and a giraffe. I'm excited to use them for the first time. It's weird when you're a grown-up and you buy yourself stuff like this because it feels like, oh, it's for children, you know, but I mean, if it makes you happy. I tried to make green with green tea, but first of all I couldn't get it as fine as powder. I didn't find any matcha. I think matcha would be a lot better for this. And second of all, it's not really green, it's more like a brown grayish kind of tone. And I'm not sure if you can taste the green tea. So this is just a little test batch. I'm gonna try on a couple of cookies. So cute.
Hello. It is only a few days before Christmas. Today's the 20th, and in 2 days my brother and his wife are coming to visit me. I'm very excited, and yeah, I don't know. I'm having a really good time right now and looking forward to Christmas. And today is a very beautiful day, and I'm just taking a little walk out here in nature. Just wanted to check in, let you know what's up. Welcome to the vlog. And I'll catch you with all of the cleaning and getting ready for Christmas.
cute. I got this in Mexico last year. And yeah, I was inspired to make these for my brother and sister-in-law. I'm going to attach a little gold ribbon to hang it up. And that's it.
You are. Me, I'm more free. You know, I run like I did when I was a kid because it's the only way it's fun.
Hello. I just made my dinner and I finished my little sewing project, but I didn't finish cleaning yet. I don't know how much is left, I mean how long it's going to take me. I definitely have to deep clean the bathroom and the kitchen and change like the bedding and stuff, make everything ready for my brother and my sister-in-law. They're coming tomorrow. I'm very excited. Yeah, tonight I just want to rest a little bit, eat my dinner, have a video chat with my boyfriend and edit a little bit more. I hope to upload a video tomorrow, but it needs a little bit more work, so I'm gonna do that.
Ganz kurz vielleicht mal.
I often don't know if I prefer to be alone or with others. Both can be good and difficult for me, but this time with my family on Christmas was really wonderful. And I am so grateful for that because I know that it's not nearly the case for everyone. So my heart goes out to you if you have been struggling during this time. Eine große Straße. Hab ich schon. Ja,
Good morning. I had a dream last night in which I was supposed to give a speech about Walt Whitman. And I didn't know anything about him, or I had notes, but they were super tiny, and I couldn't read them on stage, so it was difficult. And in the end, in the dream, I didn't go on stage, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to read you a poem by Walt Whitman. Miracles. Why? Who makes much of a miracle? As to me, I know of nothing else but miracles. Whether I walk the streets of Manhattan or dart my sight over the roofs of houses toward the sky, or wade with naked feet along the beach just in the edge of the water, or stand under trees in the woods, or talk by day with anyone I love, or sleep in the bed at night with anyone I love, or sit at a table at dinner with the rest, or look at strangers opposite me riding in the car, or watch honeybees busy around the hive of a summer forenoon, or animals feeding in the fields, or birds, or the wonderfulness of insects in the air, or the wonderfulness of the sundown, or of stars shining so quiet and bright, or the exquisite, delicate, thin curve of the new moon in spring. These with the rest, one and all, are to me miracles. The whole referring, yet each distinct and in its place. To me, every hour of the light and dark is a miracle. Every cubic inch of a space is a miracle. Every square yard of the surface of the earth is spread with the same. Every foot of the interior swarms with the same. To me, the sea is a continual miracle. The fishes that swim, the rocks, the motion of the waves, the ships with men in them. What stranger miracles are there? Full circle moment, as I'm editing this video, I'm taking care of the little dog again, and we had snow for the second time. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. It makes me truly happy. Wishing you all a wonderful year 2025 with lots of health and beautiful moments. See you soon.